What's up? And this is my first long form vid. Today we're gonna be fishing with my friend.
Yellow Beanie VR.
Okay,
I almost forgot my own name.
is.
I almost forgot my own name.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, so today we're gonna be fishing, as you can see. So come on.
So,
let's go.
trust me guys, I bet this video will be crazy.
Okay. You're just
So
going to be crazy.
instead of having just a normal day, we am going to build something. Okay, is that fine? Can I build
Yeah.
something? So basically what
work
I'm
out.
going to be building is I'm going to be building us.
I don't have the other fishing rod. I only have like this one.
Yeah, I can give you the
Pro one?
the one that you want. So that's the fishing area. So
Sharky.
we're gonna. Oh yeah, that guy's evil, bro.
No, I like him. He's a nice guy.
Trust me, it's gonna look so cool. At the end of
Wait, let's put our
first,
buckets
you
down.
start fishing. You start fishing. I'm going to build us a base.
Okay. Oh, now the shark can't get
So-
us.
He still can, but I feel like there's just a better way. So guys, comment down below if you think this is a good video. This is not my first Yeeps video, this is his first Yeeps video. But you know,
And we make collabs
I support
soon.
small creators.
We may collab at some point, but
That would be fire. Guys, comment
Not
down below
currently.
if you want a yellow beanie and tiny VR collab.
yeah, that would be cool. And then we got this little. Get in.
No, hold up, can I tell you something?
Yeah.
That's where I'm making an auto crafting spot. Not really auto.
Oh, you're gonna put like the crab
Trust me,
things in
it's-
there. You're gonna put the crab traps in there.
but wait, hold up.
I'm guessing he's putting the crab traps in there. Don't
Yeah,
get eaten by the
he would.
sharky.
I know.
It's a nice view. Ah! I fell in the water.
Oh yeah, this is slightly.
I'm getting out of the water. Oh yeah, please subscribe. I want to start off with a good Yeeps career.
So this is going to be the auto crafting spot. You can test that out, okay?
Like how?
I can do it. I'll test it out.
I have I only have 3 fish. I have like this little green fish right here. I have this purple
Nice.
fish.
So
And then I
guys,
have
this
this
is
big black and pink.
yeah, that's the spearhead. Most people get it when they're new. Not gonna say new, but like you know. Is it okay? I am going to make a second story for
Oh yeah,
fishing.
that'd be cool. That'd be cool.
This
Can I
is
add,
where
like, the
I
wrap to
auto.
it?
So yeah, I'm gonna add that right there. I'm going to start auto crabbing. Not
Okay, I
really
just
auto.
made the
but-
stairs. How do these stairs look?
So no, we should add this right here. Copy and paste. There.
Oh yeah.
So you fish wherever you want. So guys, show them this. This is going to be where you auto crab. Not really. Why do I? The shark is here.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I just got eaten. I just got eaten by the sharky.
If we keep, it's gonna be the cinematic death every single time we die.
Well, it just ate the pillows.
Yeah, I know. It can eat. That was terrifying. You fish, I'll work on this. Let's see.
Should I like make it out of wood?
This is no, not in this mode. Let's just fish from here.
Yeah, let's just do that.
I'm going to go crab over there. This can be your base for now.
Grab a fishing rod. See if I can catch anything. Nothing so far. Come on. I'm reeling it in. Oh, I caught a yeep charm.
A yeep charm. That's the most disappointing thing to catch.
I actually
You
kinda
can
like
fish from right here. You can fish from right here.
That yeep charm's actually kind of cool. Okay, I'm gonna try fishing from the other area.
Guys, trust me, I'm using the luck on this one. You're going to get a legendary sea dragon.
Ooh,
Legendary.
I got fish. I got a dark blue clownfish, and it says it's new. Okay. Get another fish.
It's taking forever for me to get a bite.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, I got a lime dauber. It's tiny. Look at that thing. So cute. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna. It says I have awards for like the fishing thing. I do put the earn
Tiny.
thing. Oh, here.
Tiny. Yo, come here. Come here.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What?
I just caught a
is
king
that?
crab.
You know
Bro,
what this is?
that's the rarest crab you can get.
Wait, follow me, follow me. Isn't there like a crown over here?
Guys, I caught the king crab. Yo,
Come on, come here.
look at
You-
this.
let's get you on camera. Come on. Jump to the camera.
Bro, guys, look at this.
Oh
I
my-
caught the king crab. That is insane. Oh my gosh. That's actually insane. Subscribe if you want to see more content. Oh my gosh, bro. That is insane. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go bring the shark into the oven.
Do that? Okay.
This turned from a fishing vid into a crazy vid. So while
Yeah, we
so
were just trying
while
to-
you entertain the videos, alright? Entertain the whatever.
Okay. Okay.
If
and
that's
then
okay
I'll
with
come
you.
back to you when you're ready. I want to try something. Follow me. Little camera thing. Turkey. I know that's you. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's the shark. Dude, he harpooned the shark. He harpooned the shark. Come on, harpoon him again. No, he got me. He got me. Okay, sorry about that. I left this little ball thing over here, so it wasn't following me. Sorry about that.
Yo, Penny.
Okay. I let it catch me.
I'm gonna actually try fishing now.
Come on,
Guys,
let's
the
get some more
first catch
cotton.
of the day. Guys, the first catch of the day.
Oh, what'd you catch? What'd you catch?
I caught a beige thick jaw perch.
I caught a few fish. I've caught 3 fish in this vid so far. gonna catch some more.
So, guys, I know this is a fishing vid, but we've only caught 3 fish.
4 fish.
I know.
Well, 3 for me and 1 for you.
2 for me.
Well, you caught 2 crabs.
No, I caught. Didn't I catch 1 crab?
Well, I thought there was another one right over there.
I don't know.
I'm gonna go up here and try fish.
Yo, when is?
Okay. What will I catch?
Yo, look.
Come on, give me something.
Yo, I got a baby sea dragon. Look, guys, baby sea dragon.
Oh my!
Yo,
I got a new fish. Look at that. Don't shoot me.
I got a minion controller, bro.
Look at this fish that I just caught. It says
Bro,
it's
that's
new.
it. Put it in your bucket. I have that. I have every single spearhead. So, guys. Yo, look what I just caught.
I'm stuck.
Bro, I am catching good things right now.
I'm
I
stuck
just
down
caught
here.
a ribbon longback. Bro, I just caught a ribbon longback. I know. So cool.
Wait, why not? The fish. He's
Where
not
did
in
your fishes
there.
go?
Okay, let's catch another guy.
Yeah, that's mine. See what I get. Yo, I got a brown
paintbrush.
pea.
Catch whatever is here.
Do you want? Take this. Take this. That's an upgrade. That's an upgraded rod. Grab the pro fishing rod. You'll catch
Look at
better
the thing.
things, I think. So it's a stronger grip and you'll catch better things.
Comment if you've been fishing
Look
in
at
real
this.
life.
Guys,
Comment
should
if
we
you've
do
ever
a
fished
collab?
in real life before.
I have.
Because I have.
I know
It's
I
really
have.
fun.
It is. So, anyways,
I've caught
Guys.
2 catfish before.
I've not got a carp. Please comment down
Not
below
caught a carp.
what videos I should do. I have no idea what videos I should do. He just started, so he has like instant ideas. What are your thoughts on your new fishing rod?
I think it's cool. I'm not caught anything.
Try to recast it. Now you should catch some better things.
I'm gonna go out here. That's why I caught the spearfish.
I smell Wendy's. That was weird.
Come on, let's see what I catch. Oh, I got something.
I just
I
caught
got
a line thick drop.
I caught a rusty can. Remember
Congratulations,
to
bro. Is that your
recycle.
first?
Remember to recycle. Don't throw cans in the water.
Throw harpoons in the water. Yo, I got a good cast right here. Look!
The blue
Look at
spearfish. I caught a boxing glove. Who drops boxing gloves into the water?
Seriously, bro.
Yes, Yeeps do.
Wait, they're playing raft. They're playing raft.
Oh no, we're gonna get tangled.
Oh, I just ate my fishing rod. Guys, come down below.
No,
if
he
you
got off
ever-
the hook.
Guys, that could have been a sea dragon. Guys, comment down below if you've ever ate a fishing rod before.
Oh, comment if you want a shout out too.
If we do like, everybody's gonna comment, and then we're gonna get 10 million comments, and then we're gonna have to shout out 10 million people.
Yeah, well, people can get shout outs.
True.
I mean, I'm pretty small. Right?
No, the people on the first day that this video was posted, that comment gets a shout out.
Yeah. Only on this first day though.
From
I'm gonna
me,
be checking the dates of when the comments were commented.
from me, and him.
Yes.
Big ZD, please.
I caught this cool fish. It's called a dark. Oh, I can't read it.
Playing with friends.
Okay.
Okay. Yo! I got a dark blue clown.
Oh, I got one of those a minute ago.
Guys, I still can't believe I caught a sea dragon.
What will I catch?
Bro,
What am I gonna catch?
a bomb just went off.
Oh, is it one of those like things down there? I'm gonna make one go off in a minute.
I caught a pink spearfin.
You
I'm
should-
the king
you
of
should
spearfish.
set another. You should set another crab trap.
Nah. Bro, I already caught
I set off the bomb.
Run!
Man, it caught me. So you see, my outfit's like this right now. I may change it later. I like his outfit. It's pretty cool.
Guys, look at this zipper. I'm mad at myself. I used to have a 160-day streak. Now my zipper's to the silver streak, which means 5 days. Yo, guys, this is probably gonna be the end of the video.
Yeah.
Probably. If you liked this video, just make sure that, subscribe. Okay?
Yep. Subscribe
Now-
to.
Wait,
Can
keep
say-
talking real quick.
Yeah?
Keep talking.
Okay. So always subscribe. Be kind. Don't.
I have something to say, guys. I have something to say. And my final thing
He's coming
is
down. He's coming. Oh God.
Goodbye!